Dear students, trigonometry is very important as it is not only needed in school or college exams but also in all entrance exam, whether it is JEE, NEET, government exams or any other exams. In short, you have to face trigo formulas everywhere. In this video, we will learn tricks how to remember trigo formulas. Practice the method and I assure you, you will remember all throughout your life. So, let's get started. In trigonometry, there are 6 trigonometric ratios. To start with, let us see the first right angle triangle ABC. Suppose if this is your right angle, the side opposite to this right angle is always called hypotenuse. Now consider this angle as theta. Theta is a Greek word like any other symbols alpha, beta, gamma. So if I suppose this angle as theta, the side opposite to this is called opposite and the remaining side BC we can name it adjacent. So this is hypotenuse, this is opposite and this is adjacent. Now if you consider the second figure, again I explain you, this is right angle, the side opposite to this right angle is called hypotenuse. So hypotenuse in the previous case and in this case remains same, but if I change the angle, instead of writing theta here, if I take the theta here, then side opposite to this theta is here and this will be now termed as opposite. The remaining side, that is AB, we will call adjacent. The reason for explaining the second diagram was your hypotenuse always remains same, only if you change the position of theta or your angle which you are considering, the opposite and adjacent will change. In this case, if you see this angle, the opposite is here and adjacent is here. If you see this figure, if the angle is here, then the opposite is here and adjacent is here. Now we have 6 trigonometric ratios. First we will consider 3 trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. These are the main trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Before putting the formulas, I will be giving you a trick. Just remember O, A, O, H, H, A, O, A, O, H, H, A. Remember these letters. My dear students, you can memorize it by using the sentence all Appu, all happy healthy Appu. I repeat, old Appu, old happy healthy Appu. Now, this you can take together, this you can take together, and this you can take it together. Sin theta we will be having equal to O upon H. Opposite upon, if you see the first figure, opposite, here it is AB. Hypotenuse, it is AC. Cos theta, you will be taking the second term, A upon H. That is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Here adjacent is BC and hypotenuse is AC. In the third case, you will be taking tan theta equal to O upon A. That is opposite upon adjacent. Here opposite is AB. Adjacent is BC. So if you remember this alphabet OAO, HHA, all up to all, happy, healthy up to, O upon H will give you sin theta, A upon H will give you cos theta, O upon A will be giving you tan theta. So this basic important formulae, try to remember it out. Now, apart from these three trigonometric ratio, we have three more trigonometric ratios. They are called reciprocal partners. They are called reciprocal partners, or even they are called inverse partners. So sin theta का आपका reciprocal partner कौन है? तो आप लिखेंगे cosec theta equal to, reciprocal means what? Cosec equal to 1 upon sin theta. That is equal to O upon H. Now you will make it inverted form. That is उल्टा करना है आपको, ऐसा करना है. O upon H को आप करेंगे H upon O. उसी तरह we can have inverse partner for cos theta. Cos theta का inverse partner है sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta. That means A upon H, you have to invert them, it will become H upon A. For tan theta, the inverse partner is cot theta. So cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. That is O upon A, you will be writing A upon O. So we have done with 6 trigonometric ratios. So see you in the next video lecture, where we are going to further study the same formulas in continuation.